This is Aparna, your maths master teacher at Vedantu. So very warm welcome my pirates and my new pirates. Very warm welcome. So सबसे पहले बता दो क्या हाल है मेरे बच्चों का? Are you good? Staying safe? Yes? Okay. So चलो फिर आज देखते हैं आप और मैं मिलके क्या boom करने वाले हैं. So today we are going to boom chapter number 3 of your book, that is understanding quadrilaterals. So guys, let me tell you, this is the amazing chapter and very interesting and easy chapter for you guys. So let us quickly understand this chapter. This is the introduction session for curves and polygons. We are going to understand what do we mean by curves and what are the polygons and what are types of polygons. So all these things which we are going to cover today itself. So let's go. Before I move ahead, मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है आपकी. डाउट्स नोट्स से मिलते हैं, टेस्ट एंड असाइनमेंट, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन, चॉइस ऑफ शेड्यूल, वट एवर टाइम यू वांट टू स्टडी एंड चॉइस ऑफ लैंग्वेज, राइट. इन सब प्रॉब्लम्स का एक सोल्यूशन है मेरे पास. That is Vedantu Pro Lite Plan. Okay, you are getting plus bonuses with this subscription plan, that you will get unlimited access to live classes, all the micro and crash courses, performance reports of yours, and personalized attention by the India's best teachers. So go, and what are you waiting for? Just visit this link and you can just choose your grade, select on the targeted exam CBSE 2021, then click on the subscription. For 1 month plan, we have best deal for you guys. You can get this really at very affordable price. Just use this coupon code 80pro. I'm sure many of you have done it. I know about that. Many of students are using that. Just use the coupon code 80pro to get additional discount offer. If you want to go for 3 months, go and get this deal. Just apply the coupon code 80pro. We have 6 months plan where you are going to get 48% discounts already, plus 15% discount for the extra discount. Okay, so just visit this link given in the description box, click on the coupon code. You are going to apply the coupon code. क्या है coupon code? 80pro, right? Then become a pro, guys. So let's start our session with the plane surface. Okay guys, so let me explain you what do we mean by surface. Okay, so I have so many objects right now in front of me. Can you see this? Everybody can see this. So this is particularly what type of shape? Can you see this? This is a curve, right? Yes. Okay. Now can you tell me, my phone is what type of surface? Is it a curve from here? No, right? It is a plane surface. Also, if you open a book or a notebook, the pages are of what type of surface? That is plane. So first type of surface would be plane surface. For example, and the place at which you are sitting, that would be also a plane surface. The place you are writing down, that would be also a plane surface. The table would be also a plane surface. Okay, so flat surfaces are called plane surfaces. For example, surface of the book, simple. And the curve, the line which gradually bends from being straight for some of the its lengths, right? So that is known as curve. Now what do we mean by plane curve? We have different types of curve also. Okay, so when you join a number of points without lifting a pencil or a pen and making something, that would be known as plane curve. For example, I am drawing something here, that is also a curve. Without lifting मतलब बिना उठाए पेन को आप जो भी कर दोगे वो एक कर्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so can we call straight line also a curve? Answer yourself. Yes or no? Yes guys, that would be also a curve. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं है तो वो कर्व नहीं है. गाइस, अगर आप बिना हाथ को उठाए एक लाइन बनाते हो ज्वाइनिंग सम पॉइंट्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ कर्व. ओके, Now, simple curve and closed curve. Let us understand that. A curve which does not cross itself means intersect, लड़ाई नहीं होती उन दोनों में, that is known as a simple curve. ठीक है? That means it can be a simple curve because it is not crossing, right? Okay, a curve which has no open ends is known as closed curve. Let me draw it. Can we say that it is a closed curve? Yes, because it is closed from all the sides. Yes. Now, can we say that this is a closed curve? No, because it is opened. The end and initial point. The initial point and the end points are not colliding with each other. Then it is a simple curve. Okay. So, let me draw. Can we say this is a simple curve? Yes, because they are open, not closed. Okay, guys, this is the open curve, this is closed curve, this is simple curve. Now, let us take some examples. Can you see here this example given below? Let me erase it for you. The first example given to you is this. So, what type of curve it is? Simple curve, right? Not closed. This one, yes, tell me, simple or closed? Closed, right? This one, it is not simple. This is not simple because it is crossing each other. This is also not closed. Alright, clear to everyone? Now let's talk about polygon. What do we mean by polygon, guys? Huh? Polygon is a simple closed figure or curve formed with straight lines. अच्छा, पॉलीगॉन में क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं? क्या हम इसको बोल सकते हैं पॉलीगॉन? नहीं. Why? Because there are two ticks for being a polygon. That is, it should be made up from lines, straight lines. Second tick should be that it should be closed figure. ठीक है? Let me draw a figure. This is straight lines. Also it is closed, so that means it can be called as polygons. Now we have different types of polygons. First is irregular. The word irregular itself defines it that it is not regular, means different shape different size होगा पॉलीगॉन का, मतलब जो साइड्स होंगी और जो उनकी एंगल्स होंगी वो different होंगे. That is known as irregular polygon. So can we call a rectangle irregular? Yes, why? Because sides are different. Only opposite sides are equal, na? Not all sides. So therefore it is a irregular, right? So we have equilateral triangle as the regular triangle. Other than that, all the types of triangle would be known as irregular triangle. Okay. Now this is also, so these are the examples given below for the irregular polygons. Now what is regular polygon? Already clear that all the sides in the polygon should be equal. Like we have a square here. Yes, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. All the angles are equal. Therefore that is a regular polygon. Yes. Everybody clear? Now guys, let us see how many types of regular polygon we have. ठीक है? We have a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. Okay, so triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral has 4, pentagon has 5, hexagon has 6, septa या heptagon has 7, octagon has 8, nonagon has 9 and decagon has 10 sides. Okay. Now let's talk about convex and concave polygon. What are they? I know many of you get confused when it comes to convex and concave. Let me make it very clear to you. So everybody knows what is 180 degree, right? That means a straight line. That means a straight line. For example, this is a line, right? This is known as linear wave, so that is 180 degree, right? Clear? So you can definitely identify what is 180 degree, right? So by seeing in a figure, can you identify a 180 degree angle? Or more than that or less than that? Definitely, when I draw this is less than 180 degree, right? But exterior of this side would be greater than 180 degree. That's it. Now let me make it very clear to you. Convex. Convex means less. Cave means bada, that is bigger. Okay. So convex polygon is a type of polygon where every interior angle of the polygon would be less than 180 degree. ठीक है, सिंपल हो गया ना. कॉन्वेक्स में सारे एंगल्स, इंटीरियर एंगल्स पॉलीगॉन में 180 डिग्री से कम होंगे. सारे, एवरी एवरी एंगल वुड बी लेस देन 180 डिग्री. बट कॉन्केव में एक एंगल, एटलीस्ट एक एंगल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एटलीस्ट वन एंगल, एटलीस्ट वन एंगल should be greater than 180 degree. Simple. Can you see here? Yes. So at least one angle should be greater than 180 degree. That is known as concave. Cave बड़ा, vex छोटा. Vex में सारे angles, every interior angle should be less than 180 degree. और cave में at least one angle should be greater than 180 degree. Simple. ठीक है ना? Clear है ना guys? Do let me know in the comment section if it is boomed by you. Okay. Now let's talk about all together types of polygon. Concave, convex, simple, complex, regular, irregular. So convex is where no interior angle should be greater than 180 degree, or we can say that all interior angles should be what? Less than 180 degree. कॉन्केव में क्या होता है? एटलीस्ट वन एंगल शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 180 डिग्री. सिंपल क्या होता है? इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. और कॉम्प्लेक्स क्या है? लड़ाई होती रहेगी उनमें, लाइंस में. कैन यू सी द स्टार हियर? दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉलीगॉन. नाउ इरेगुलर एंड रेगुलर. इरेगुलर एंड रेगुलर तो नेम से ही सिंपल है. रेगुलर मतलब सारी साइड्स और सारे एंगल्स सेम होने चाहिए. इरेगुलर क्या है? सारी साइड्स और सारे एंगल्स इक्वल नहीं है. दैट इज इट. ओके. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डायगोनल. डायगोनल क्या होता है? डायगोनल इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट कनेक्टिंग टू ऑपोजिट वर्टिसेस. टू ऑपोजिट वर्टिसेस इन द पॉलीगॉन फिगर इटसेल्फ. ठीक है. Let's say this is a square. So how many diagonals can we have? We can have two diagonals. Intersecting them together at one point, just join two opposite vertices to each other, you will form diagonals, right? Clear to everybody? This is diagonal. Now what is exterior and interior of a curve? The word exterior itself defines that this is outside and interior means inside the curve. ठीक है. Let's say this is a curve given to you. ठीक है. Obviously this is a curve, right? Now this figure which is inside the region of the curve, which is known as interior, and which is outside the boundary, all the things outside the boundary is exterior. ठीक है. बाहर का सब कुछ एक्सटीरियर हो जाएगा, अंदर में सारा रीजन इंटीरियर रीजन हो जाएगा. सिंपल. नाउ आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी. सो टुडेज चैलेंज ऑफ द डे इज, can you tell me which polygon does have a diagonal, does not have a diagonal? एक ऐसा पॉलीगॉन जरूर है जिसमें कोई डायगोनल नहीं है. हमने पढ़े ना, ट्राइंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरस, पेंटागन, सेप्टागन, हेक्टागन, all these types of polygons. So which type of polygon does not have any diagonal? Think about it guys. Think about it and do let me know in the comment section. I know my pirates can boom every challenge and this challenge too. So let me know your answer. So again I am reminding you, many of you have got this. जो बच गए हैं, go and get this. सारे subjects, सारे chapters boom कर दोगे guys with the help of Vedantu's best master teachers. So go and select your grade, select your targeted exam, get subscription for 1 month try कर लो, 3 months try कर लो, 6 months पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. Go and get this. Your captain is telling you this is best guys. You are not going to regret Vedantu. We are best in this field. we are doing day and night hard work in order to make you a pro. So guys, go and get this pro light subscription. Go and get this link in this description box. Click on that, use the coupon code, that is 80 pro. Thank you so much. Hit the like button, share and subscribe with your friends, guys. Click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the channel very fast. So thank you so much, guys. Your captain is signing off. We'll see you in the next session. Bye everyone. Bye bye.